Okay, so you're probably watching this video because you want to delete your Houseparty account. It's not working and I'm gonna tell you why. So chances are that you're on Android, right? So on Android, if you click on the smiley icon at the top left corner and then click on the settings icon, then you're gonna see privacy policy, but once you click on it, it's gonna take you over to an external website. So this is the houseparty.com website. And on here, they're pretty much going to show you all of their privacy, like the privacy policy basically, and there's no way to delete your account yet. So if I were you and I would have an Android device, I would reach out to friends that have an iPhone. I would let them download the app, sign into your account, and then delete your account, because on iPhone, it's actually possible to do this. If you want to find out how to do this on iPhone, then click on the video in the card or in the link in the description down below, and that's going to show you how you can delete your Houseparty account on your iPhone. So that's exactly what I would do if I were you, and that's pretty much how you can fix it. As of right now, you simply cannot delete it on your Android phone, okay? So if that video helps you out, make sure you go ahead and leave a like, let me know in the comments if it works, and then I'll see you next time.